Oi everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to BakeCookTravel. Today we are in Halloween vibes and I will be making a very chocolatey, spooky and delicious haunted house. I've put together just the best chocolates and candies for Halloween. And this haunted house won't just be very tasty but also very fun. So let's get started going over all the chocolates, candies and goodies we will be using. The house is basically made of KitKat bars and some candies. Some Twix bars and Snickers will also be part of it. Some candy eyes for giving life or death for the creatures. Worms, jelly beans, colored sugar, M&Ms, sour mini candy pumpkins. I will be using graham crackers and Jolly Ranchers for the windows. Some Oreo crumbles for the floor. Chocolate candy melting for gluing the pieces and giving some finishing on the house. We will also need some very important tools such as wood sticks, some cookie cutters, trays, parchment paper and piping bags. Also a cake board as base for the house. First, I like to start making the windows so we have them ready to glue on the walls. On a plate, add one piece of graham cracker and a wet paper towel on top and microwave it for 30 to 40 seconds until very soft and you can cut the windows using a cookie cutter. It can get stuck on the plate, so you can use some sticks to help or a spatula. After drying out, it will come off easily. You can also make the tombstones from graham crackers. For the window glass, I melted some pineapple Jolly Ranchers in the microwave for 30 seconds or until all melted and added them into the holes. Use the sticks to help spread the candy. And that's it, we have some nice windows. Now that our windows are ready, let's build our house. I will be using mostly KitKat bars and this pyramid chocolate wafer. We also need some cement for gluing walls and roofs, which will be made of icing. Same one we use for our Christmas house. I just colored them with orange and purple food coloring. And chocolate candy melting also for gluing and finishing. I used medium KitKat bars with a piece of pyramid wafer in the middle for my lateral walls. Use a very sharp knife to cut the pieces nicely and flat. Glue everything using the icing. I made one side orange and one purple. After gluing all the pieces, let it dry very well and apply the windows. Also use the icing and candy melting for finish and make it chocolatey. Don't worry if it's a little messy because we will cover everything in the end. For the door I used one small KitKat bar and I added a little candy eye for making it a little scary. Place the walls on the cake board using the icing to glue everything. For the front and back walls I used just one medium KitKat bar each. I also added one window on the front wall. You can also use the chocolate bars from the roofs for helping holding the walls while you're gluing them. I used jelly beans on the bottom of the walls to also help it to stand. Start to apply Oreo crumbs on the icing left so you can have it covered. Use warm candies to help glue corners and bottoms. For the roof, I also used medium KitKat bars with pyramid waffles. You can use the chocolate bars standing up to help. When all the walls are dried and strong, it's time for the roof. Another person to hold one side of the roof would also help until you add the other side. Use sticks to help spread the icing. When all the house structure is glued and strong, you can cover some messy parts with candy melting, giving also a more scary look. On the top, I added some piece of KitKat bars to make the roof even. For my scary haunted house scene, I put over my cooking station a purple tablecloth and some Halloween decoration, purple spider net, pumpkins, some stickers, candles and light. I added a candle inside the house for a nice effect. For the floor, chocolate brigadeiro, which you can find the recipe here in the channel, and cover with Oreo crumbs. Brigadeiro also helps to glue the decorations on the floor. For my ghosts, I made the same meringue ghost from my Halloween event video. I added some candy eyes on the mummy ones. So everybody, this is my chocolate haunted house for Halloween. You can also use your imagination and create more ideas here. It was so fun to make and even more to eat. I really hope you enjoyed and make your own. And of course, have a very scary, haunted and full of chocolate and candies Halloween. See you in the next video. Ciao! Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On BakeCookTravel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here. And for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.